Hello, me fixing everything, and because there is always something to be fixed, trust me, I tried to fix it. I couldn't. I filmed it, and then I got pissed off, and I just stopped the whole thing. So, Italian alarm GT123. I'll just bring the box to show you the box. So this is the box. There is a big plug that goes on this side, and that's the board. On the board, 4 relays are missing. It has some kind of problem, I don't know exactly what. I was thinking it's the relays, it's not. Now, this is the wiring, and I'll show you now. First, have a look. This is the English one. Yeah, 24 pins. Pause it if you want to read it. And this is in Russian, depending on which side of the world you are. Okay, good. Now, if this is the connector, if we look at this side, yeah, brown is number 1, 13 is the red one. Okay. And now I'm gonna walk you through the colors with me and what I know. Now, this is mounted on an Italian car that's been in Italy, and I have read that GT alarms are usually fit from the dealer for insurance purposes. This car is from the year 2000, which means the alarm is 23 years old. Here there was a choke block with fuses that was completely corroded, so I chopped it off. Now there is a small red wire that comes to the power feed, and it goes inside the cap. That's positive for the LED. There was a small black wire. Okay, that was the only one. Then we have fuses. Red one for the power is 15 amps. We have two 5 amps, I think, for the orange ones. You'll see what the orange one is for. And we have 2 more here. It is there for the central locking, I think. Yeah, don't trust me 100%. Here we have 2 cables. One was going to the lid. There was a button for the engine bay. Now, let's start with the connector. We will look from the back. Okay, that's the pin on this side. We'll look from the back. Brown one is ground. Okay. Green one here, second one, green one is the input for the lid in the engine bay. Yellow one is ACC, which is 12 volts when you turn the key, the ignition key. Blue one is output for siren. This one got a GT123. By the way, you can see it here. This is G123, yeah, GT. Blue is for the siren. This one got a built-in one. Green, black, green. Input for additional sensor. Black one, number 6, is 12 volts for the LED, this small cable. Pink one, we have power supply for additional sensor. Then we have two black ones, which are actually the shield wiring on the internal sensors. There is like a volume sensors, this alarm, two of them. So the two shielding wires, the next two, which is number 8 and number 9, are the shielding wire for the sensors. Then we have yellow brown, which is a normally closed relay for unlocking. Then these two are common contacts. This one is for unlocking and this one is for locking. Okay, now these two wires and these two wires here were fused. I still can't figure out what exactly they do, and my car is locking perfectly even without the thing connected, so someone did a good job on the inside. 13 is the power feed, red wire, constant through 15 amp fuse. Orange is a power feed for the side lights. Okay, then we have white green one, or green white, white green. This is just an antenna, it doesn't connect anywhere. Brown green one, this is a sensor for the doors, so when you have a door unlocked or opened, and this one will tell you. Orange is the other side light indicator. And here we have something very important. Your car would not start without these two wires. Gray and white. Gray and white wires are the immobilizer. I think these two are connected to the relays on the fuel pump. So the alarm knows when you start the car to connect these two wires, so I connected them. My car was not starting, that was the main issue, and that's why I took the alarm off. Then we have the red and the white one, which are the two cables from the sensors on the inside, so they sit together. You can see number 20 and number 8 sit together, and 21 and 9 sit together. Then we have a red brown one, which is normally closed relay for locking, and these two are controlling my central locking, which is normally open relay for unlocking and normally open relay for locking. Okay, that's the connector. On the inside of the car, I don't even want to bother. I will connect another alarm through these wires and I will just insulate whatever I don't need. That's it. I hope the video has been helpful to you. Leave me a comment if you're dealing with that now. I'll be happy if I helped you, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.